Have you ever tried to get one AI to do everything at once? You ask it to research a topic, write the post, make an image, and publish it, all in a single giant prompt. And what usually happens is it forgets half your instructions, mixes things up, and you end up cleaning the mess yourself. So here's the simple idea that fixes this. Instead of building one all-knowing AI, you build a small team of AIs that each handle just one job. Think about it like a real company. You don't need a single super employee who does every job. You need a boss who assigns tasks, plus a crew of specialists who each do what they're good at. In AI terms, that boss is called an orchestrator. Its only job is to understand what you asked for and hand the right task to the right helper. So here's how it actually works in 3 easy steps. First, the central agent reads your request and breaks it into pieces. Second, it hands each piece to a focused specialist. One agent writes the copy, another pulls the data, another publishes the result. And third, all those results get combined back into one finished piece of work. Let's make that real with a marketing team. One brain agent takes your goal and delegates. It sends work to a topic finder, a blog writer, an image maker, and a publisher. And the best part is, those specialists can run at the same time in parallel, instead of waiting in a long, single line. Why is this better? Because each agent only has one short, focused set of instructions. When the job is small and clear, the AI is far more reliable. Now here's the common mistake to avoid. Don't expect one massive prompt to do everything well. The trick is to split it into small agents that cooperate. So the next time you've got something complex to automate, stop cramming it all into one prompt. Build a small team of AI agents that work together and let each one focus on what it does best. If this made multi-agent AI click for you, follow Just List AI for more simple ways to put AI to work.